Preparing food in this type of ancient pot makes the food more delicious, maintains the food flavors much better, it's cheaper to buy, does not release any toxin while cooking, you can cook almost anything in it, and has a long life. And it has been said cooking in this type of pots is much better for the health of the heart. Once you buy this type of pots, there is a one-time preparation and seasoning of this, and this pot is ready to go every single day. In this video, I am going to share the best method of the seasoning and preparation of this type of pots so that you can make it ready and you can use it in your daily cooking. The link of this type of pots where you can buy from your country of residence has been provided at the description box of the video. This video is sponsored by Java Burn. Java Burn is a quick, tasteless add-on for your coffee that will enhance the speed and efficiency of your metabolism, burning the most stubborn fat in your body for the good, and it will also aid your overall health and give you more energy all throughout the day. It's also vegetarian and gluten-free as well. And the best part is that you get a 60 days money-back guarantee where you can return it and get a full refund if you don't like it. No questions asked. In case you're wondering, it won't affect the taste of your coffee, not even a slightest bit. Check out the link in my description box below to get your Java Burn. From the ancient times, people used to prepare a variety of their foods in the clay pots. And the reason behind it is that clay pots add many important nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and sulfur to the food, which is extremely beneficial to our body. Clay also is alkaline, so it neutralizes the acidity of the food and makes the food easier to digest. First step, wash your clay pot with liquid and soap. Then fill a big container with water and soak and immerse your clay pot completely inside the water and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. After this time, take out the clay pot and wash it with just plain water. Then fill the clay pot with water, place it over the stove to the lowest flames possible, cover it and let it come to simmer with the lowest flames. Once the water is completely reached to its highest heat, turn off the stove and let the water to cool down naturally in the room temperature. Once the water cooled down, throw out the water and wash the pot with plain water again. Put it over the stove under the very low flame again. Try to dry it with some tissue paper. Let it completely dry. Then let the pot to get completely hot over the low flame. Then add few drops of sesame oil or any other oil if you don't have sesame oil, and using a tissue paper, grease all over your pot from the inside. Do not forget the walls. Once you've done that, turn off the stove, let the pot completely dry off, and then your pot is ready to use.